Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this 5 amp hour lithium ion battery. So this is made for Ego Power Equipment. This is made by DMKAOLLK. So it's got the little press the button here. This shows you the status of the battery. Now it doesn't come with much charge. You are going to have to charge it. Now you can charge it on a standard Ego charger. Just slide it on and you'll get the green light to let you know when it's fully charged. So it charges up just like a standard Ego battery. Again, this is 280 watt hours, 5 amp hours, 56 volts. So it looks like a really good battery. So here I have an Ego blower, 56 volt. Simply just slide it on and it works just fine. Again, I can press the button, check the status of the charge, and it will work. And then when I want to take it off, press the button and it pops off. So this is a really nice battery. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. Okay, so let me demonstrate. I've got the tapered nozzle on. I'm going to get a really concentrated stream. They're really concentrated right here. Let's give it a try. I like that it's not super loud either, but it's really, really powerful. And again, the locking, I can lock on what position I want. There's low, so say I just want to lightly blow. I don't have to pull the trigger. So I'm a huge Ego Power fan. I've had another blower, which I'm going to compare it to, but this is their most expensive, most powerful. $230 without the battery and charger. Now I have been experimenting with Ego batteries are kind of expensive, so I thought I would experiment with this kind of like generic one. It seems okay for now. Time will tell. This one was $80. I'll put a link to it in the show description notes. Again, I absolutely love Ego Power Equipment. I think they have great customer service. I've had to contact them for just some things, but they've always gotten back to me. I even had their Ego riding mower. I've got the Ego riding mower. I've got the Ego pressure washer, Ego blower, Ego chainsaw. I absolutely love all of them. If you're looking for cordless, battery-powered equipment that you use around your yard, I do think Ego is a trusted brand. I've bought all of these products with my own money. I'm not paid for this video. Ego's never contacted me, but this is just from proven real-world experience. This is what I use around my house. We have a ton of leaves. The mower, we spent it was over $5,000. So that was our own money we spent on that, and I did a lot of research. I've had it 2 years. Absolutely love it. Go check out those videos. I've got all kinds. I need to do an update video on it. Just to how I haven't had any problems on it. So I need to do an update on how well it's been doing. So Ego is just a great brand to get into. I think it's very well established. I think they're here for the long run and they keep innovating. I mean, they've got little motorbikes you can ride around now. So, and they've got this is like a standard battery pack. I can use this on my mower, my chainsaw, different sizes, but I like a commonality between all of these things. That's why I bought this without a battery and a charger, because I've got about 2 or 3 chargers now from buying equipment. I don't need a battery. I got battery. This is the battery, or I got a battery from a chainsaw I could use. But these, I love it. Their batteries are kind of expensive, but so I'm going to try these generic ones and see how it does. But I absolutely love Ego Power Equipment. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.